Now gambling. Yeah.
Turn this way, Leighton, so I can film you.
James, that's a shame, leave him.
I filmed him the first time.
Was he sick of this?
Yes, Kerry, he was. No, he wasn't.
Can you get it off me?
It's off you.
Why are you filming him?
Because it's got to be for the memory skin. Eh? Aye, of course, yeah, I'm starving.
Come on, babes.
I need a quick noodle.